Let's say you have a Maple Systems HMI happily connected to your PLC, but you want to expose your HMI to a wireless network. In this video, I'll show you how to configure your Maple Systems HMI to connect to a Wi-Fi network using our separate Wi-Fi module. Hi, I'm Alex with Maple Systems, and welcome to another Maple Systems video training series. To follow along, you'll need a Maple Systems HMI that supports our Wi-Fi modules, which you can tell by having this indent in the back with a little slot right here for the module to slot right in. And naturally, you'll need a Maple Systems Wi-Fi module and, of course, a wireless network to connect to in the first place. To start, we'll install the Wi-Fi module. Here I have the CMT3072XH3. It's powered down, disconnected from power, because it won't recognize the Wi-Fi module if you try to install it while it's powered on. But I pointed out this slot earlier, and we're going to take the MO2, which is our Wi-Fi module, and we're just going to slot it in right there in the indent, like so. And it's installed and ready to go, but I'm going to go ahead and secure it by using the two included screws. So let me do that real quick. I have the screws in, so now it is slotted in and mechanically stable. And now that I have it firmly attached to the HMI, I'm going to attach the included Wi-Fi antenna onto this slot right here. All I'm going to do is going to take this and screw it right on, just like that. And now my HMI is all ready to go. I'll just power it on and we can start configuring it. All right, so now that we have the Wi-Fi module installed, the HMI will automatically detect its presence and allow us to configure our Wi-Fi network at the HMI system settings. And so I've got my HMI powered on here, and I've got it hooked up to my computer just so that I can remote into my HMI via remote VNC viewer. I'm gonna go ahead and start by pressing the transparent button in the top left, and that'll take us to the system settings. So now I'll scroll down and click on network here, scroll down on the network, and you'll see past this network bridge setting, we have a new Wi-Fi connection settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. I'm going to enable the Wi-Fi connection, and it will automatically detect any Wi-Fi connection and Wi-Fi networks that are in the area. And right at the top is the one that I set up for the tutorial, Maple Wi-Fi Tut. And I'll go ahead and enter the password. Very secure. And just like that, we're connected to a Wi-Fi network and able to access the internet. And that about does it for today. If you'd like a written version of this tutorial, or for more of our integrations tutorials, visit the integrations page on maplesystems.com. We'd also really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you'd like to be notified when we make more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.